Hey everybody and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you Relevance AI Demo 2025 and how it revolutionizes your AI systems. So basically it comes with a set of tools, like for example on the settings, if you see, we can basically build different type of projects. We have organizations that we can connect, and if I go back, you can see we have agents. Now this is the workforce area. This is going to be helping you to do and automate different type of daily life tasks. Could be related to your social media, could be related to your file handling, or anything data entry. Anything that you are doing manually could be now done using this tool, and it's going to be totally automated. So make sure to give a try to this, and it actually revolutionizes your AI systems because it combines all of your tools in one. Like for example, your API keys, your ChatGPT integration. If you have anything else, if you want to simply integrate different type of tools, you can see your integrations and API keys for that as well. So you can see your integrations here. If you use specific API keys, it is going to be providing even more custom tailored results. You can see we have integrations that are AWS, Bedrock, Azure, and many other. You can also see Hugging Face in there, ChatGPT, OpenAI, and we can basically connect all of these. And once we do it, it's going to be super amazing. So that's how it revolutionizes your AI system. Now make sure to give it a try using the link in the description below, as it is going to be giving you extra benefits. So thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.